This is the Void Wireless V2, Corsair's best-selling headset, redefined for the way that we play today. Whether you're on PC, PlayStation, or even mobile, this headset is designed for easy connection, to feel comfortable, and to sound sharp. Cables in the way. Have a headset that started out strong but wore out fast. The Void V2 goes wireless, stays breathable, and holds up session after session. It's well put together. Firstly, you get 50mm custom-tuned neodymium drivers, a clear omnidirectional mic, a really strong frame, a connection choice between 2.4G wireless and Bluetooth, and battery, 70 hours on wireless and up to 150 hours on Bluetooth. And if you've just run out, a 15-minute charge will give you up to 6 hours additional play. You can get custom sound control with Corsair IQ, setting it perfectly for each head, RGB lighting that syncs to your setup, and a mic that sounds clear without needing a rig arm or a boom stand. With memory foam ear cups, breathable fabric, and a lightweight fit, it's designed to stay on but not press in, so you can focus on the win, not what's on your head. Because at just 303 grams, it's light enough to almost forget you even wearing it. In the box, you'll find the headset, wireless USB dongle, USB charging cable, and a quick start guide. Plug in the dongle, power on, and you're ready. Or just connect Bluetooth and play from anywhere.